talking about the cooling deflector wings, they're moderately inexpensive. The cooling deflector wings paired with the tank lift give you a pretty good end result. And to touch on what Kevin was saying earlier about starting with the lower cost mods, the cooling deflector wings with tank lift, that's under $200. It's under $200 for that combo.
Cooling deflector wings catches the air coming forward and directs it straight down onto the engine. And it just accentuates what the tank lift is already doing. It's just forcing that air along the engine, cooling it down. It also is redirecting air. Not as much air comes up and buffets the rider glasses and helmet.
And they're good for upwards of 20 degrees lower engine temps.
Yeah, 18 on the low end, 25 on the high end.
An electric cooling fan gets you about the same result, around about 20, a little more, a little less, depending how fast or slow you're going, ambient climate and all that. But they're exponentially more expensive.
And harder to install.
Harder to get. It's an electronic component. And a lot of people don't like the look of them. So for a fraction of the cost, you can get damn near a good end result. Now, some bikes may need both. Like if you have one of these...
My Tri-Glide needs both.
Exactly. Some of them need both. But you don't really know that unless you start small and work your way up. Right. And I promise you, it feels a lot better to spend $150 than it does $600 to get the same result.